Welcome to 30408 Jasmine Valley Drive, located in the rolling hills of the Northeast Santa Clarita Valley. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has been completely remodeled top to bottom and is move-in ready. As you enter through the brand new double-entry doors, you'll notice a remodeled open floor plan complete with new waterproof laminate flooring, LED lighting, custom paint, and updated tile fireplace with stone appearance. The kitchen has also been remodeled and comes complete with quartz countertops, large center island, and plenty of cabinet space. The large master bedroom comes with its own private bath, complete with upgraded quartz countertops and remodeled shower. 3 more bedrooms are perfect for your growing family or can be used as home office or flex space. There are so many upgrades in this home to mention, but some include new Decora Outlet and Switches, all new door hardware, locks and handles, dual pane windows, and scraped ceilings. The large backyard comes complete with covered patio and is perfect for entertaining family and friends. This charming, well-established neighborhood is commuter-friendly within minutes of Highway 14, the Metrolink train station and Soledad Canyon Road, and is close to schools, shopping, and all the fun things to do in Santa Clarita. Canyon Country truly is a great place to call home.